This video shows you how to set up the Freego AirTag, which works seamlessly with the Apple Find My app. Open the package. Inside, you will find the AirTag with the Freego logo. The battery is already installed. Remove the plastic battery protection tab so the AirTag can power on and function properly. On your iPhone, open the Find My app and go to the Items tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap the plus icon. Do not select Add AirTag. Instead, choose Add Other Item. Because this is a custom OEM AirTag, select Other supported item. The app will begin searching for the device. To activate the AirTag, press and hold it until you hear beep. The sound confirms it is ready to connect. Once detected, tap Connect. You will be prompted to name the AirTag. Choose a name, for example, for your scooter and tap Continue. Select the emoji that represents the item, such as a scooter emoji. Then tap Continue. Review the terms and tap Agree. You will see features such as map directions and sound playback in lost mode. Tap Finish. Your AirTag will now appear in the item list. Test the connection by tapping Play Sound. If you hear the sound, the AirTag and Find My app are working correctly. You can now track your item anywhere. Choose a discrete location to attach or hide the AirTag on your scooter. Select the spot that is not easily visible to prevent others from finding or removing it. You may hang it or secure it inside a small gap. Choose the best location based on your preference. If the scooter moves more than 5 meters away, you will receive a notification that it has been separated from you. Open the Find My app at any time to view the real-time location of your scooter. For further assistance, contact customer support. Thank you for using Freego.